In the last lecture, you learned about the syntax for passing a variable number of arguments to a function. We have a variation of this syntax, and that's what I'm going to show you in this lecture. So let's start by defining a function. Call it save user. Here we add one parameter, user, but instead of one asterisk, we use double asterisks. So first, let's print this user parameter here and see what we get when we call this function. So save underline user. Now, instead of passing an arbitrary number of arguments here, we should pass an arbitrary number of keyword arguments. Remember keyword arguments? Name equals value. So here we can pass multiple properties about a user. For example, we can pass ID equals 1, name equals admin, and so on. So here we have two keyword arguments. Let's run this program and see what we get when we call this function. So save the changes and run. This is what we get. Look at the syntax. Here we have curly braces, and in between them we have multiple key value pairs. Here's the first one, here's the second one. This is what we call a dictionary. If you're a JavaScript developer, this syntax is familiar to you. This is like an object in JavaScript. Now, if you're not familiar with JavaScript objects or dictionaries in general, don't worry. Later in the course, we have a comprehensive section about data structures in Python, and there I'm going to cover lists, tuples, dictionaries, and so on. Now, to finish up this example, here we can use square bracket notation to get the ID or name of a user. Let's run this program one more time. So ID is 1 and name is admin. Beautiful.